All right, customer complaint today was a Sub-Zero 690. The refrigerator was not staying cold enough. So I'd come in a couple of weeks ago and I stuck a little Freon in it because it was a little bit low. And then I said, let's just watch it and see how fast it comes out of there before we tear it apart. So that's been, I don't know, a couple of months ago or a little bit longer. So what I've done today is I've come back. I pulled the evaporator cover and I connected some nitrogen, and then I bumped that nitrogen up to about 150. So connected the nitrogen. I used my sniffer up here to sniff around to see what I could find. Nothing. So then I came in, I turned my sniffer on, turned the sensitivity up. That's this little guy. It's not a very good one, but it gets me in that area. But as you can tell, it's finding some. So as I went over this whole unit, I kept finding it right there. So I came back. I took my Big Blue micro leak detector, and of course I always spray the joints. Sprayed all the transitions all the way down, and then I like to spray in 3 or 4 inches in on both sides and see if we've got anything. So of course when I sprayed in on this one, you can see I have multiple leaks. I have one here, I've got one here, one right down here. So looks like this bad boy is going to end up with an evaporator. So stay tuned. Part 2 will be us replacing the evaporator. Thanks for watching.